Why does your scanner show the P0042 engine code? What does it mean? P0042 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S heater control circuit, Bank 1, Sensor 3. This engine code indicates that this means the powertrain control module PCM has detected an issue with the electrical circuit that heats the third oxygen sensor downstream from the catalytic converter on the first bank of the engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed heated oxygen sensor, HO2S. Damaged wiring and connections. Open or shorted wiring. Corroded or broken ground strap. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Ford, Volkswagen, and many others models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.